daughter and the second child of the amazing people we are here to celebrate tonight. Their journey has been one full of love, laughter, and unforgettable inside jokes. So, my parents' love story began at work, as we have mentioned before. And technically, their first challenge was HR policies, because of course. But instead, they became co-workers. Instead of just becoming co-workers, they became lovers, partners, and to be honest, the best friends I have ever seen in the entire world. I mean, if I could get what you guys have, I'd consider myself lucky. And I honestly can vouch for the fact that they're still in the honeymoon phase, because if you check their phones, every time they're texting someone, they are just texting the other person and not anyone else. And it's somewhat ridiculous, because can you stop? It's been 25 years. Their dynamics go like this. My dad is the serious one. He's the planner. He doesn't do anything spontaneously. But my mom, she's the one who joins me in the spontaneous fun and the activities that I want to have. It should have been chaos actually if you look at it. These two people coming together, but it's just been 25 years of complete magic. They balance each other out perfectly according to me. And some days when my dad is the spontaneous one and my mom becomes the planner, it's just such a weird thing to watch. Every time I come home from college, I come home every 2 weeks. Every time I come home, my parents have this weird inside joke that is a response to anything that they say to each other. So something, a WhatsApp forward that they have looked at and they find funny. So every time I used to decode it first, I used to ask them about it, but now I've just given up at this point, because why? It's their little world. I'm just a part of it in every 2 weeks actually. Their attachment is also next level till date, because every time, like I remember during COVID, my mom had to quarantine. My dad used to FaceTime her just from outside of her room 24/7. And I mean, it's like a wooden door is what's keeping you apart, and that's troubling you. And also when the first one goes on trip, the other one is just cranky all the time for no reason. Honestly, but if I had to learn a lesson that my parents have given me, I'd say that it's that love is not about grand gestures. It's about little things that the person does every day. It's about bringing the other person a drink before they realize that they need it. And it's about making them smile even when they don't feel like smiling. It's about 25 years of choosing each other every single day without fail. I personally honestly have some resentment for my parents, because they have raised my expectations of love so much that it's difficult to find anyone who reaches them. So, because now that I've seen what real love looks like, I will not settle for anything less. And I don't think they want me to also, honestly. But they have proven to me when you truly love someone, you don't have to, you always find a way to make the other person feel that you love them. And it's what makes that love story special according to me. So now I'll address just the both of you. Mom, Dad. I am utterly grateful for the both of you. I am grateful for every opportunity that you have provided for me. I am grateful for all the guidance and love that you have given me. And I am so grateful to call both of you my parents, because I personally don't think I can find a better set. None who can handle my tantrums anyways. So here's to 25 years of love, laughter, and most importantly, never running out of inside jokes. May the next 25 be just as beautiful, and may all of us find a love like yours. To my Kurkure family, guys, thank you.